Well, this is vision and compromising fire. Blessed love, Jamaica. Alright, TVJ. Militants in no filthiness, heart clean and pure, no guiltiness. When my walk in pave and clear, loud and clear, Slassy I beat me this. Through the hills and valleys and keys, feel the most like in the breeze. I give thanks for real governance to pagans, excuse I please. Rastafari reign over land and seas, open the ears, make mind conceive. You them start to accept the truth, pagans fall upon bending knees. Out of the style of Africa me grow, like the river the Nile man a flow. No compromise to the fire over birds, so me talking loud, me Babylon know. Sun is shining, breeze is blowing, positive vibes flowing, Rasta blessings glowing. Sun is shining, breeze is blowing, positive vibes flowing. Hail the king, hail the king, hail the king. Now the leaf upon the limb of the bow and hail the king. I know Allah in a sin, so me nah go fail the king. I give thanks for everything, righteousness are when me bring. No for them no know themselves, so them better look within. Life is the ultimate, I give thanks for every breath. And me never question yet, cause him guide me every step. Bongo beat the get the drum, wicked judgment a come. I have free the people with universal wisdom. Sun is shining, breeze is blowing, positive vibes flowing, Rasta blessings flowing. Sun is shining, breeze is blowing, positive vibes flowing. Hey the king, hey give me a dub one. Free your mind and soul, let love and full take no control. Brave and bold, small and big, love chat and live. Spiritual realms keep mind active. Rasta love is so profound. Feel the blessings all around. I am a thoughts, great I'm a deeds. Knowledge is key, make we read. No selfishness, no more greed. The Most High King fulfill my needs. As you can see, when the Most High lead persistence, we will succeed. Now time will tell when all is well. The two just work, I am compelled. Burn them demon, burn them spell. Tell pagans our soul and sell. Sun is breeze is blowing, positive vibes flowing, Rasta blessings. Sun is shining, breezes, positive vibes flowing. Hail the king, hail the king, hail the king.
Alright folks, Vijan and the Irie Connection Band starting us off this morning. It is Wednesday. It is August 16.
Can you believe that?
This, if you follow this, it not read so far yet. If you follow my producer, it's last week, Wednesday.
I know. Yesterday, somebody said it's the 15th, and I said, no, man.
Yeah,
Can't be.
It'll move.
Moving.
So welcome everyone. Welcome our friends at OneSpotMedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJam TVJ. Also on television, Jamaica.com. My floor manager had a training session just now. She had to be moving her hands. You know, that's it. It was a yoga move or what, but it eventually worked, I think. Don't?
No, I don't.
Didn't work. Didn't work at all.
What's going on?
It is Wednesday.
You just realized it's Wednesday?
So why are you there then?
Oh.
Where is the great Sakina?
Oh.
Where are you here?
Oh.
yeah, you just couldn't wait until Thursday. You couldn't wait until Thursday. You missed me, and you just had to come in, come deal. It's not a problem. Great to see you.
What's been going on, man?
Nothing. What would you play now?
What's going on now?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice people, them like it.
I did I forget some icy hot for me knee.
What kind of place?
It's a dancehall comedy review.
And you dance?
So Orville Hall is a choreographer. me have to ask somebody if I only knee movement. Because them look simple in a level. But everything I did knee I bend, you know.
So you,
pure knee.
So your knee gone?
Eh?
Your knee...
It never come back from it, it gone. It never come back.
So you mean, what you call them?
Where?
The person who, the shadow standing, what you call them?
My alternate? I have none.
So you don't get somebody else to do the dance?
Man. When the play is going on, I don't feel it though. No matter how much pain.
So it's big dancing or just a couple of seconds and you're done?
It's about 4 minutes.
Of dancing? 4 minutes.
Yeah. But Orville, yeah. I'm going to go back, you know. Come and see me now, and nobody see me. But yeah.
But you need to mash up. It just a pain you a little bit because you don't do it.
I say at.
Yeah, because you're not accustomed to doing this.
Yeah, man, I will just throw you nightly.
Yeah, that's good stuff. All right. Well, I am happy that you're here. I hope Sakina is all right because I haven't heard from her. So I don't understand why you don't tell me a word coming this morning. But I don't know. So what's up on the show this morning?
Well,
folks?
Coming up on our show this morning, we have a laugh when we share with you some of the corniest jokes around.
Which means you're not going to laugh. That don't make no sense.
You know, you might hear something you said, that's so stupid, and laugh at it because it's stupid.
Yeah, them stupid for real. Then we get the details about the changes to the Constabulary Force Act.
We also give you some helpful back-to-school tips.
Can you imagine back to school already? And we take a look at some bags and accessories from Wassy Datsy.
Yes, yes. But first, we tell you what's hot in our hot topics.
Mm-hmm. Why, this is so sad.
Yeah.
Nearly 400 people have been killed. Hundreds are missing after a mudslide. Wow, this is in Sierra Leone. It says it happened near the capital, Freetown. This happened on Monday. And they said a dozen more bodies were discovered yesterday. Wow. 312 bodies had been recovered on Monday. And they said they were struggling to get equipment to get more bodies that were buried deep in the mud. Ah.
An estimated 600 people still missing.
Incredible. Which would suggest that the death toll will go up significantly. Because if it's at 400 already and 600 missing, wow. Well,
a mass burial of victims is planned to free up space in mortuaries. I mean, I don't know, everybody's heart must be going out to Sierra Leone at this time.
We pray that it won't get any worse.
Natural disasters never, you just never know, You never know.
Incredible.
It's really a tragedy.
Yeah.
And I just hope everybody who can assist.
Yeah, we.
I know our own Red Cross here in Jamaica is often called upon in situations like this. So, prayers to you guys.
They say they need urgent support for thousands of people and massive flooding in the capital. He said entire communities had been wiped out and the devastation was overwhelming.
I don't know how you recover from something like this. I mean, even if you physically recover,
you probably don't.
Emotionally, it must be to have lost family members in this
Where's the next one?
Gas stations are running low on fuel due to a strike. I didn't know the gas stations were on strike. Their petroleum truck drivers remain on strike. Wow.
Well, I was reading that it should be all right, though. It says here in the newspaper that tanker drivers expected to roll again today. They said it could end today. The strike went in its second day yesterday.
Yeah.
But
they said they're getting, it's the terms under which they're employed is what they're not too pleased about.
Yeah, I heard one driver say that they
don't have health insurance, poor union representation. And if you're driving on the road consistently, you need insurance.
Yeah.
Anything can happen, So I hope they sort that out for them.
Boy.
Yeah.
What about this one here now?
I don't even know what to say.
Miss Jamaica world finalist, she says she's not walking
Shanique
away.
Williams says she's pressing ahead.
We're going to see some of them this morning, by the way.
No, but that's Miss Universe.
Oh, this one is Miss Universe.
This is Miss Jamaica World.
This is Miss Universe, Rosie,
coming
this
today.
morning. This is Miss Jamaica World.
This is Miss Jamaica World.
Yep. She's among the 16 finalists and says she's been on the receiving end of cyberbullying and hatred due to the fact that she was arrested for a serious crime back in 2015.
Yeah.
She says, and I quote, "I believe that at the end of the day, I have a story to be told, and this is why I decided to enter the pageant. I believe it is a platform for me to share my side of the story to inspire others who may be experiencing a similar experience." I'm not certain I understand what she means, that someone might be experiencing a similar experience. Maybe it's just a cyberbullying.
No. She was charged with aiding and abetting rape and sexual touching in an alleged incident involving a 15-year-old. The matter was dismissed after the complainant indicated that she did not wish to proceed with the case. So and I think that's the challenge that people are having. You know, the funny thing about justice is, you know, you pursue it to the end, at least there's some closure. I think there was no closure.
So when she means that what she's been going through, is that what she's talking about?
I think in terms of being accused of a crime, and but I think because the complainant didn't pursue it, people in their minds
suggest that she didn't do anything.
Right, in their minds, and she's maintaining her innocence. I think because of the nature of the crime, which was something where there is a female victim, people are saying because it's a Miss Jamaica World. But let's see, the pageant organizers would have been cognizant of it. There must be a reason why they would have allowed her. I don't know what that is. But it has never been a serious thing, though, you know. It's been a serious issue. People are really showing a lot of angst towards it. So let's see how this one goes.
All right, last one. Big Ben. It's a clock in London. They say it won't be working until 2021.
You can't believe that?
It's been there for 157 years, but why would it take 4 years to fix it? They said they want to repair and update the massive clock. It is massive. There it is right there. But why would it take 4 years?
4 years. That's weird.
Very weird.
Big Ben, I don't think anybody would have thought Big Ben wasn't going to chime.
For 4 years?
For 4 years. You see, sometimes, of course, here in Jamaica, you know, when we have things to fix, and we say, why take so long?
And them say if it was foreign, that would have fixed by yesterday.
Yes, well, see that?
Say foreign and take 4 years to fix that clock.
Big Ben to fix, so there you go. Yeah.
All right, so time for birthdays. Belated birthday greeting to Sandrine Clark Thompson. It's coming from the family. I hope you had a great day yesterday and wish you many, many more. And this is Denise Smith. It's Denise's birthday today. Denise, it's coming from Terry and Muma, whoever Muma is. There you go, there's Denise. Hope you have a great day today. They say that you're special and they want you to have a brilliant day. So happy, happy birthday. You've got none?
No. But my phone, as usual. No. Yeah. So happy birthday to everybody. Is it Tibby's birthday today? Melissa Pinnock.
Tibby's birthday?
Yeah, our makeup artist here. Melissa Pinnock. It's her birthday.
And then tomorrow will be Kamika then. Yeah.
So happy birthday, Melissa.
You sure it's Tibby's birthday?
Yeah, man, it's Tibby's birthday today.
Happy birthday, Melissa.
Happy birthday,
Pinnock
Melissa.
is her name?
Yeah.
And we call her Tibby. Well, everybody call her Tibby. I call her Melissa, actually. And we should suggest that tomorrow is Kamika's birthday. Kamika Smith. Tomorrow is Kamika's birthday. So I'll tell Kamika happy birthday tomorrow.
Tibby.
Hey, Tibbs, have a great day. Many happy returns. Happy birthday, folks.
We'll make the dream become a reality.
So.